Yes, I have a beard. Yes, my hair is very long. I'm sweating because it's hot and there is no freaking fan in this room. So bear with me in this vlog. So it's been a while since the last vlog. I guess the last vlog was shot in October. And after October, here I am in May 2020 shooting another vlog. The last vlog I shot just before going to Delhi. A lot has happened since then in my personal life and in the world as well. So in my personal life, I met someone. Things are going great. It's 2020 has been great for that. But to put a speed break on everything that's great in the world, we have the coronavirus. So, like you have seen in my story yesterday on Instagram, my building has been put under the containment area law. Basically, what that means is none of the residents from the building can get out of the building because obviously we found a positive coronavirus case in our building. So we can't get out of the building, but whatever food and groceries we require on a daily basis are going to come right up to the gate and then we collect it from there. That's number one that I want to discuss. The second thing I want to discuss is a friend of mine. He has the same name. He had the same name as me. My age, my school, my batch, passed away. We don't know why he passed away. Some people are saying he passed because of coronavirus. Some people are saying he passed away because of other reasons. Now, I don't want to be the one saying why he passed away, but basically he did pass away and he's no more. To me, that's a very humbling effect because there's a person who's my age who's passed away, never got to live on his life. It could have been anything, and for some reason, I'm still alive, and I'm supposed to do something with this life, which I have not yet found, but hopefully. Another thing I was thinking about during this lockdown period was that we as humans, and especially the newer generation that's come about, before the lockdown, we were always on our phones. We never wanted to really meet people. We were happy just texting someone, video calling someone. We never wanted to go out. We were kind of antisocial. We became antisocial because of our smartphones. And I'm not saying everyone is like that, but a lot of people had become antisocial because their phones have come in. And, we don't really want to go out and meet someone. But now suddenly nature has put us into this box where we can't meet anyone, we can't go out, and we're complaining even then. So this is one of the things that nature has forced us to do, and in nature's defense, we always wanted to do it anyway. Another thing that I've observed is we were chasing money, we were chasing our jobs, we were chasing, to become something in life. But the speed of life just became our life, and we forgot family, we forgot being at home, enjoying the moment. And I guess the lockdown has taught us that. If anything, it has taught us to be with family, and we are forced to be with family. And people who are not with family, are apart from family right now, one person might be in Delhi, the other person's in Visakhapatnam. It's taught us to value that family life more. Now we are worried about our family members, we're worried about what might happen to our friends because of this pandemic. So yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to say in this vlog, and hopefully all of you are safe. Please stay home, stay safe. If you can stay home, stay home. I know there are a lot of people who can't stay home because of their job description requirements. So, but stay home, stay safe, and go Corona, go.